This is my intro. This is my intro.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T back in the So as you guys can see in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how I clean my white Air Forces. So before we start, you'll need to remove the laces because we'll be working on this later on. So what you will need is a bristle brush, warm water with laundry detergent in it, toothpaste, and then a smaller bristle brush just for the little nooks and crannies. So to get that really squeaky clean finish on your shoe, your beloved shoe, you're going to need to dip your bristle brush in the lukewarm water and scrub till the sun comes up, basically. You know what I mean? Like scrub. That's what I can say, like scrub. It's very self-explanatory, but like you just scrub. Once you have the solution, the methodology, you just scrub, basically. Straight up. Now I'm just going to be focusing on the sole of the shoe, just making sure that I really scrub, and I will later go in with like my toothbrush or like bristle brush, like just so I can get in the grooves of the shoe. So to make the shoes really squeaky clean and to give it that really nice white finish, we're going to be using toothpaste. Yes, I said it, toothpaste, a simple household product that you use every day. If you don't, then I don't know what you're doing with your life. But yeah, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of toothpaste to just certain areas of the shoe, and then use a really small bristle brush and just really scrub. And like you'll see that I kind of mix it with the water as well for that just extra cleanliness. But yeah. So to clean my laces, I mixed laundry detergent and bleach together. I put my laces in the solution and then I shook it, and then I left it for a good hour or so, just so that all that grit and grime and just disgustingness can like just come off it. Yeah. Once my laces dried, I put them back on my trainers, and guys, this is the finished product. I just love how clean and nice they look, honey. This is what we're talking about. Like, they're so ready for summer. Like, I don't have to go out and purchase another pair of Air Forces. Like, I mean, if you're looking for something like cheap, just clean your shoes, people. Clean your shoes. No need to buy any other pair of shoes, you know what I mean? But if you want to see how I remove creases and lines from my trainers, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment down below and let me know what else you want to see. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button to get notified for whenever I upload a video. And guys, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay true, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, peace.
Judge me come for you. You will always be a part of